thanks for coming on this tour with me at 15 Rock Spring Road, my newest listing. It's here in the Porter's Hill section of Trumbull. Lots of house, lots of bedrooms, lots of bathrooms, great private yard, great location, close to everything, schools, parks, shopping, highways. We're really close to Indian Ledge too. It's in the Daniels Farm School District. Hope you guys love this tour. Hope you enjoy it. Come with me. Man, talk about peaceful and tranquil. Look at this patio, deck. It's beautiful. It's all Trex, vinyl. The plants, oh, by the way, the guy who owns this place, David, he's a landscape architect. You're not gonna believe the landscaping around this house. Beautiful. So when I'm talking about architecturally designed, this house was architecturally designed. Look at this kitchen. It is absolutely magnificent. It's got a huge center island with quartzite countertops. This is one of 3 sinks here. This is your vegetable sink. Here's your regular sink. And there's a bar sink over there as well. The cabinetry is gorgeous. They got a Sub-Zero refrigerator. The double oven is Wolf. The gas cooktop is Wolf. This is one of the 2 dishwashers in the room. Cathedral ceilings, skylights, recessed lighting, pendant lights over the island, breakfast bar. So check out these countertops. These are, they're really beautiful, custom, natural quartzite counters. And the backsplashes are marble and they're called rainfall. So when you have that under cabinet lighting on them, it really gives an amazing effect. So when you're cooking and you want to keep your food warm, there's a warming drawer. So in this bar area, not only do you have a huge, again, counter, but you also got a wine chiller and another dishwasher. These are Bosch, by the way, too, really high end. I don't think I mentioned, this has a huge open floor plan with the vaulted ceilings, cathedral, skylights, magnificent lighting fixtures and all kinds of direct lighting. It's just amazing. There's also a lot of natural sunlight in this house coming in through the skylights in these windows. This house has over 6,000 square feet, actually a little shy of 7,000 square feet. There's 8 bedrooms and 6 full bathrooms. Wait till you see this house, it's unbelievable. So this is a master bedroom. Vaulted ceilings, skylights, loads of windows, propane gas fireplace, custom built-ins, cabinetry. You gotta see the bath. Master bathroom, fully tiled with a magnificent quartz double sink vanity, bubble jet tub, which sits there and overlooks the tranquil setting that you're looking at, and you got a steam shower. It's unbelievable. Look at the tile, it's custom. The pebble stone flooring, it's really, really beautiful. You got a separate commode room over there as well. I don't want to forget to mention that there's 2 huge walk-in closets with closet systems in there as well. So when you come in from that formal entrance, you're going to enter through your French doors, you're going to come into the family room. You get that beautiful natural stone fireplace, oak floors, custom built-ins, and a door out to the jacuzzi. So check this out. After a long day of work, get yourself a glass of wine, come through the French doors, and you're in this hot tub room with speakers. All pine ceilings, pine walls, tile floor. It's an amazing room. There's a door outside too. So here we are. We can call this the 8th bedroom, but it's really substituting right now as an office, and it's got a full bathroom. You could use this as like an au pair or a teen suite, because not only do you have the full bathroom in here, but you also have the door out to the natural stone, the bluestone patio. By the way, the seller was telling me that this room opens up to the eastern sunlight, and in the morning with these maple floors and even the color of the walls, it glows. It's like a golden room. He said it's absolutely magnificent. What a great room. If you need an 8th bedroom, I think this office is the way to go. When you pull up to this property, it's very unassuming because you don't realize it has a yard like this. I wanted to come all the way to the back of the property to give you a perspective of how big this yard really is. And there's a shed here too. Hey, so thank you for coming on this tour of 15 Rock Spring Road. Like I told you before, the owner of this property is a landscape architect, and he called this his lavender walkway. He's got beautiful garden areas all around this property that are all special and have magnificent specimen plants and all kinds of really cool things around the house. But like I said, this house is 6,000 square feet, it's like 6,600 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, bluestone patios. It has so many special features. I really hope you want to see it. If you do, you can give me a call. You can call me at 203, or text me there, 203-209-2529, or you could email me at j@jcanone.com. Once again, thank you for coming on this tour. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great rest of your day.